Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my June message out to the community. Well, it's an old saying we've all probably used at one time or another, and it really starts off by saying, I don't know where time goes. It just seems to have flown by, and the school year is coming to an end already. It's been quite a year for Learn. So many different accomplishments. I won't bother trying to list everything, for you because it would be a little difficult to do all of that. However, I do want to take the time to thank the entire Learn team from top to bottom. I'll start maybe with the backroom people, the people in IT, Rob and his team really make everything possible for us because we are a IT-based organization. So thanks to him, thanks to his team. Of course, we wouldn't make it if we didn't have someone taking care of our communications and marketing, and that's thanks to Carolina. Our accounting and finance department with Doris, Stephanie, and Theodora, who's stepping in for us this year. So thanks to them. These are the people who work in the background, and I really, really appreciate everything that they do. Then, of course, at the core of all this, we have our three teams, our virtual campus team, our provincial resource team, and, of course, our pedagogical services team. All of them have done exceptional work, and they need to be commended. Debbie and her team were just phenomenal. What they do to support the CLC network is quite remarkable. They're innovative, they're creative, and I have nothing but the highest respect for everything that they do. And I think sometimes they go unnoticed and unappreciated, but they're really critical to our community, and the service that they provide is one that I hope will continue for many years to come. Christine and her ped services team have just been, again, it's almost sound redundant, like a broken record. Year in, year out, they do exceptional work, and again, how they manage to be so creative, to provide resources that are in touch with our community, with the needs and their interests. It's amazing, and it's quite a challenge to do it, and they are up to it all the time. And of course, our virtual campus team with the online classes that we ran in concert with Western Quebec. Diane and her team have just been fantastic. They really have been there thanks to our online teachers as well. Although they're now technically with Western Quebec, I still think of them as ours, thanks to all the people working in the background as well. Our tutorial program this year was a phenomenal success. We had over 40,000 sessions given, in addition to the exam review group, which was new to us this year. So we're very excited about the interest and the demand from our community for this particular service. I want to highlight three individuals. The first, and in no particular order, is Julie Paré. She's been called back by her school board to return to the classroom. As we all know, there's a tremendous shortage of teachers, and as the flies buzz around me, we're really sad to see her leave. She's just been an integral part of our team for years, and so I wish her all the best in her future endeavors. She'll always have a place in Learn, and she'll always have a place in our hearts as well. In the provincial resource team, we have Ben, who's been called back by MSB, and he's going back. He's going to be a tremendous asset to the community, and he too will miss. He's been with the provincial resource team almost since its inception, and his contributions have been just outstanding. Finally, we have Audrey McLaren, who's and I've got Noy coming in helping me here. Thank you, Noy. Audrey's contribution to online education is simply groundbreaking. She's won all kinds of awards. She's been an outstanding and creative teacher. And I just can't say enough good things about her. I want to thank her. We're indebted to all three of them for their fantastic contribution. And I wish them, as I said, well going forward. I hope that the rest of the summer is a good and positive one for all of you. I hope that you come back to us safe, healthy, rested for 23-24, which might be a very interesting year as well. Thanks to everyone.